Hi, I'm Bobby, the Operations Manager here at WDC. I'm here to tell you today a few answers to FAQs that we get quite commonly within the clinic. First one we get asked quite a lot is, do I need to see a doctor before I come and see you? The answer is no. So basically all our therapists are trained to do a thorough assessment and identify the injury that you may have, and you don't need to go and see a doctor to confirm this or be referred to us. Unless you are with insurance, sometimes they'll ask to be referred via a doctor before you can get physiotherapy, but if you're just coming to self-fund, you can come to us at any time and we can do an assessment and identify what's causing your pain. Another question we get asked quite commonly is, do we have male and female therapists? The answer is yes, we do. A lot of our clients see both male and female therapists and they're quite happy with that. Obviously we understand that sometimes you might feel more comfortable just seeing a female therapist or just seeing a male therapist, and we are more happy to try and accommodate that for you. Another question we get is, what type of treatment would I receive? So this is more down to obviously the injury you may have, and after the assessment the therapist will go into much more detail in terms of what sort of different treatments they have. But commonly we do a lot of hands-on treatment where we'll try to correct the muscles, get rid of scar tissue. We'll also do sort of kind of corrective exercises which will sort of correct the actual movement of the said injury, maybe your shoulder or your knee, and we'll do this with our therapists within your sessions as well. So another common question we get is, how many sessions would I need after my assessment? We here always do this very bespoke to the client because it depends on how long you've had your injury, what type of injury it is. So someone who's just have an acute injury that's just happened will have less sessions than someone who's been in chronic pain for 20 years. Obviously we're trying to correct a muscle that's been there for 20 years, so maybe you need more sessions. And obviously this will be bespoke to each client that comes in. Another question we get asked in the clinic is, what sort of services do we have? So obviously our main thing is that we do physio and sports therapy treatments, but we also here run massage sessions. So if you're just having a very stressful day, which is a lot of people these days, you can just come in for a nice therapeutic massage, or if you are a runner and you just want to loosen up those leg muscles, we can do a deep tissue pulse massage, which is a little bit more intense and a nice relaxing one. And we also do Pilates classes. So we run Pilates classes Monday to Saturday, morning and evenings, and these are very, very popular. They help build up your core and help with sort of other injuries and building up strength. We also look at doing running biomechanics, where we can look at how you're running, look at your technique and help people improve their times, reduce the possibility of injuries when you're running, and this is done as like a 6-week course to help you kind of get better. So another question we get here at the clinic is, will it hurt? Obviously when you come to us, often you'll be in pain with your injury, and when we do our hands-on treatment we are trying to correct that muscle, loosen that and give that release to the injury that you're having. And as such, with the hands-on treatment we would expect you have some sort of discomfort. Often it's just within the session and then it'll be a little bit sore. I like to use heat and ice to reduce the sort of swelling and reduce the pain, but eventually after you've had a few sessions this should start to ease off, and it shouldn't be as painful after the sessions. I understand I've only answered a few questions here, and you may have another burning one that you want to ask or you want to know the answer to. Feel free to give us a call. We're available Monday to Saturday and all the team will be happy to answer any of your questions. The number is 01702 613 542. We'll be happy to hear from you.